Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Facebook keeps stopping problem in Android quickly and easily. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or by swiping up to access the apps drawer. Step 2. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down the list until you see an option called Apps. Tap on it to continue. Step 3. Now, you'll see a complete list of all the apps installed on your phone. Either scroll manually or use the search bar at the top to type Facebook, then tap on the Facebook app from the search results. Step 4. Inside the Facebook app settings, scroll down and tap on Storage. You'll find two buttons here, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on both options one by one to clean up the app's stored files. If the issue still isn't fixed, don't worry, we have more steps. Step 5. In many cases, this problem is caused by an outdated app version. So now go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Step 6. At the top of the Play Store, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type in Facebook and hit the search button. Then tap on the official Facebook app from the results. If you see an update button, tap on it to install the latest version. If you don't see any update option, move on to the next step. Step 7. On the same Facebook app page, tap on the Uninstall button and confirm your choice. After the app is removed, tap on Install and wait a few seconds for the app to download and install again. Step 8. Once the installation is complete, open the Facebook app and log back into your account. This fresh installation should completely fix the Facebook keeps stopping issue. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.